Hey dolls and gents, today we are doing a video on this hair, and this hair is from Angel Grace. I have reviewed Angel Grace hair on my channel many of times, and I am rocking their body wave hair today. And my inspiration for this hairstyle was like old school Megan Good. Do y'all remember when Megan Good used to wear like long hair, side part, super like swoop in the face, and just like nice waves and curls in the hair? Yeah, this is the look that I was going for. I am freaking obsessed with this style. I've always wanted to meet Megan Good. Like, this is beside the point, but like, I love her so much, especially now. She has just grown into an amazing woman. Like, if I ever got the chance to meet one celebrity, then it would definitely be Megan Good. She's the one that I've always wanted to meet. So as you can see, the frontal looks very, very natural. I created a full wig using their frontal and their bundles. I will leave all the links that I have in my head down below because I honestly do not remember. But I did go in and bleach the knots on this frontal so it would look as natural as possible when I part the hair. As you can see, it does have like really nice parting space. I did go in and cut baby hairs and they look really nice. I went in on this frontal. I plucked and tweezed this frontal to perfection. So that is what you're seeing right now. I do have it on using Got2b glue. I like taking my wigs on and off at night, so Got2b glue is perfect for me because honestly, when I'm washing my makeup off of my face, I just add a little bit of extra water on the lace right here and it just takes it completely off, and it's so easy to wash out of your wigs. I know a lot of people are like, it doesn't last long, but if you're like me and you don't like wearing your wigs for longer than one day, I would recommend that method. If you want something that's like more long lasting, try an adhesive or a tape. If you're interested in seeing the makeup look that I'm rocking in this video, I will leave a card up top for you guys because the makeup tutorial for this look is already up on my channel. If you have not already seen it, you need to go check it out. As you can see, this hair looks super gorgeous. It looks luxurious. It definitely has a nice sheen to it. It's not too shiny, but it's also not dull looking. It looks amazing. I get so many compliments when I'm out with this hair on Snapchat and Instagram. Y'all have been going crazy asking me about this hair. This is the natural color of the hair. It's like a dark brown off black kind of color. This hair does hold a curl really easily. As you can see, I actually curled my hair 2 days ago and the curl is still here. Like, it still looks bomb. So y'all always want a full shot of the hair, and honestly, I only look cute from here up. I'm wearing my Calvin Klein sweatpants, so y'all will have to excuse that. But here is what the hair looks like. Y'all, this shirt is itchy AF. Like, it looks cute, but my body right now is like itching. This does not feel good on my skin right now. I've had very minimal shedding and very minimal tingling with this hair since installing it. And like I said, it holds a curl really easily. You can also straighten this hair, and it does have like a slight wave in its natural state. If any of you have any questions that I didn't cover in this video, definitely leave it in the comments down below. If you are feeling this hairstyle, and if you knew exactly what I was talking about when I said this is that old school Megan Good type look, definitely give your girl a thumbs up. And I will leave a direct link to Angel Grace down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that I have. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.